I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property, on our minority, you know my story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. Call me a president, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga house on seats, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them over get JV.
Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Zach bringing us another vlog. It is currently July 2nd. It is 8:30 in the morning. I am extremely tired because I got like no sleep last night. I recently quit the ZA, so sleeping has just been very hard for me, but it does not matter. We are gonna get after it today. I'm about to hit the shower, eat some food, and then we're gonna get on the charts. So we got a lot of stuff to do today. So if you guys enjoy this vlog, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I appreciate all the support. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay. This is a very weird update, but I'm actually not showering right now. I'm gonna wait till later because my shower is currently broken. I'm currently staying at my aunt's house. My little cousin flushed something down the toilet and it ruined all the drains. I turned on the shower and it started overflowing the toilet. So I'm like, all right, I'm turning this off. It will not work, so gotta wait till later until they fix that, but that's unfortunate. But we're about to eat some food and then I guess we're just gonna hop on the charts and start trading. Alrighty, and bam, breakfast is served. Let's go grub, baby. Alrighty, y'all, we just finished eating. That was amazing. I love myself some eggs and toast. 6 eggs right there. 2 pieces of cinnamon raisin toast with some peanut butter on top. I could eat that every morning. But we're about to do the dishes real quick, and then we're gonna hop on the charts and get after it today. It is currently 9:06, so we have about 24 minutes until market opens. We did have news at 8:15, but all that really did, there was no really news candle. All that did was just sell off after 8:15. But I do want to see upside to London highs at least, and then maybe we can see downside. But we're going to stay very patient today. I am up 2-0 on the week, so I do not need a trade today. And also I'm 3-0 overall, so we're just going to stay very patient and be very disciplined with our trading. But anyways, we're about to drink this Monster. I never actually had the orange Monster, so I'm about to give this a little review real quick. 1 sip, you know the rules, not 1 bite like Dave Portney, but 1 sip, you know the rules. I'm about to do that with fucking energy drinks. I'm about to start a trend, but anyways, let's drink this. It's alright. It literally tastes just like Fanta. Holy shit. Yeah, it tastes just like Fanta. That's crazy, yo. And we are now streaming on YouTube. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you guys could join these YouTube streams. I do stream every trading day. So make sure you guys turn on post notifications. And if you are in the stream, make sure you guys like up. And yeah, I'm going to update you guys if I catch any banger trades today. But other than that, we're staying very patient today and not forcing anything. We took 0 trades today. We were just slow chopping up pretty much all the way to London highs. I could not find an entry in here. There was no entry model that I really liked. And then after we took out these highs, we had a massive SMT. I wanted to see downside, but we had a 5-minute fair value gap here that I wanted to see get inversed. We never inversed, and we just kept pumping up. So I'm just going to hop off the charts. It is second macro. It's 10:52, so we could still see downside after 11, but I'm just going to be done for the day. So no trading from me today. Staying cash and staying patient is always the key to success in trading. Alrighty guys, we are all showered up, ready to leave. We have an apartment tour at 1 o'clock and it's currently 11:30. So before I go to apartment tour, I'm gonna go detail my car at a self car wash because this car is nasty and I haven't detailed it in a little. I probably should be, so we're gonna do that and then go down to this apartment tour. This apartment tour is in the city, literally directly in the city, so it should be fun. I am looking at studios and 1-bedrooms in the city, but the 1-bedrooms are very expensive, so it might be a studio that I might have to go with, but also I have other options. I already toured 2 places and this is going to be the 3rd, but let's get on the road, baby.
finished detailing. It was honestly pretty pointless because I totally forgot to bring a towel with me. And so all these water spots are gonna stay, but it's all good. Oh, there's towels right there actually. It's whatever. But honestly, I just wanted to get all the grime off, so it's fine. It's supposed to rain anyway. And then I got my interior pretty good. I was recording the interior, and then somebody called me, so I missed out on all that footage, but the interior looks good now. We're all good. Got it, all the bird shit off that was on there, but I didn't get to dry it how I wanted to. I need to go pick up a chamois from like Target or something and just keep it in my car for the future. But still, whatever. I don't even care. That was pretty pointless, but it's all good. Now we are on our way to this apartment tour. We have about a 25-minute drive into the city of Charlotte, where we're going to be touring a studio apartment at this one place. Like I said before, like, I honestly don't mind a studio. I know people hating on studios, they're like, oh, you're broke. Like, it doesn't really matter. It's a studio. I'm going to be living by myself. I do not care what my place looks like. As long as I have a place I can sleep and a place to train, I am chilling. So that's all I care about. But anyways, we are on the way. And this guy better not pull out in front of me. We are good. But let's get on the way. Dang, it just started pouring. That exterior detail is really worthless, but interior looking clean and smelling good, baby. The place that I'm going to tour called me while I was on the way here, and they said that the agent that was supposed to be giving me a tour is not showing up, so now I have to do a self-guided tour, which I'm not mad about. So they're just going to give me the keys to the apartment and I guess the keys to all the amenities, and I'm going to go check it out myself, which is honestly better, but I just can't. I don't have any answers to the questions that I have pretty much, but I don't really have too many questions. There's some stuff that I would question, like requirements and stuff like that to apply, but I'm not worried about any of that. I can email if I have any deep questions, but let's go see how this place is. We're about 5 minutes away. I hope this rain stops, or I at least park in a garage or something, because I am not trying to get soaked, but I might. Let's see. Damn, look at the city, boys. Alrighty, let's head in, boys. Uptown. Okay, guys, we are on a self-guided tour. She gave me a map and a key fob. This is the gym right here. Honestly, not bad. Has a boxing thing too. Smith machine. Probably the best apartment gym I've seen so far, so this is nice. Let's go check out the actual studio, though. Okay. Bathroom. Not bad. A lot of space in the closet, which I like. Kitchen's very nice. Washer dryer back here. Little pantry. Fridge ain't bad. So much bigger in person, and I sort of like this. I put my desk right there. Curved couch right here with a TV up there. Or I'd figure all that out, but this isn't bad. It's not bad. The view is not good at all, but not worried about that. This is the pool section. Pretty small pool, not gonna lie. This is cool, the little rooftop section with the view of the city. This ain't bad. We just finished up that tour. It was all right. I still have one more place that I really want to look at, and that will be the deciding factor whether I decide this place or the other place. Like I said, I do really want to be in the city, and this is right in the city, so it's definitely a great location. The only things I really had concerns about was like the floor was cracking, little stuff like that. All the appliances were brand new, so that was nice. And it was very spacious for a studio, and I don't mind that space, but also like the view, there was no view and no balcony. That's something that I really wanted, especially if I'm in a apartment complex in the city. But it was all right. So we will see what the Asher looks like. That's another place I'm going to go tour, and then I will decide from there. But right now we're about to go hit the gym, and then I have to go charge my car and then head home. And we got a meeting at 8 o'clock with the community, so we're going to hop on that. But right now we're about to go over to the gym to hit some legs and some cardio. So yeah. Alrighty guys, we just made it to the gym. I do not feel like working out right now, especially squatting. I'm not gonna squat because the other day I hurt my lower back and I feel like it will tweak again if I squat, but we're probably just gonna go in and literally hit 30 minutes of cardio and then get up out of here. I do not feel like working out. I don't feel that good at all. I might hit some other leg stuff, but other than that, I just am not in the mood to work out really at all, and I just don't feel good. I think it's because I didn't really get any sleep last night and I got a crazy headache right now, but we'll at least go get 30 minutes of cardio in. But I don't know if I'll probably do abs. That's what I'll do. I'll do abs and cardio, and that's about it. Almost like an active rest day, but I'm definitely not training legs because my lower back is fucked right now. So yeah, let's get into the gym and start lifting, I guess, doing whatever I feel like, I guess. Alrighty, y'all, we just finished our lift. It honestly wasn't that bad of a lift. We did leg extensions, leg curls, and then literally just arms, and then 30 minutes of cardio and some sauna. So it wasn't the worst lift, but it wasn't the best lift either. Now I gotta go charge my car. When I'm charging my car, I'm gonna go edit this video so far and see what clips I have, and then pretty much chill the rest of the day. Probably film content between now and my meeting at 8 o'clock. But other than that, today's been a good day so far. Just keep it pushing. Hopefully this vlog is good. I didn't film in the gym because there were so many people. That's the one thing about this crunch I go to. There's just so many people. So it's not really good for like content and stuff. I do need to find another gym because I'm not even gonna be in this area once I find my apartment. But yeah. Alright, we are done charging. Honestly, the cart looks very clean, even though it rained. This looks very clean right now. Wow, it is shining. I am craving some Chipotle as well, so I'm gonna go hit Chipotle because why the fuck not? Chipotle is fucking awesome. It's my favorite fast food place. I guess it's considered fast food, even though it's not really fast food because there's no drive-thru. But let's go get fucking Chipotle, baby. Damn, keep the Maybach. This shit is hard.
We are loaded up, baby.
I just fucked that Chipotle up, I cannot lie. But we're on our way home now. I'm probably gonna just chill for a little, edit this video, and then see what happens.
Alrighty guys, we just made it back to the crib. Oh, I am fucking tired, so I might take like an hour and a half nap because I got like no sleep last night. So I'm probably gonna nap and then just edit this video and just honestly just chill until this meeting. It is 4:30 right now, so we have about 3.5 hours until I have my class with Travis. So yeah, probably just gonna chill until then. And yeah, I'll catch you guys when we hop in this class. It's a psychology class. We do psychology every Wednesday, and then every Sunday we have a back testing session throughout the week, and we go over our trades. Today I took no trades, so I think I already said that early in the video, but yeah, there's still nothing in the markets. Like I thought we would see downside, but we did not at all. We just kept pumping up, and it is what it is. Maybe we'll see downside tomorrow, but probably not. I'm going to be bullish tomorrow just because today was so bullish. But without further ado, I'm about to go take a nap because I'm fucking exhausted, and I'll probably edit this video first and then take a nap and just chill. Alrighty guys, it is 7:55. We are about to hop on this call with my boy Travis at 8. All I was doing was pretty much just watching Love Island. I cannot lie. Love Island is so addicting to watch. I know it's really not the best show to watch, but I fuck with it. And I've been watching it with my family too, so spending time with them is always good. But we're about to hop on this call and then
that'll pretty much be it for the night. Head to bed, wake up tomorrow, trade tomorrow, and yeah.
This class is going fairly well so far. I muted my mic, but it's currently 8:30. We've been in this call about 30 minutes, just teaching Box up a little bit. He had a lot of questions about SMTs and just certain things in the market. So Travis is explaining something to him right now, but I just wanted to show you guys this community banged today, yo. Look at this. Mark, insane long, holy shit, 1200. Tyler caught a crazy trade as well. Box is learning, only been trading for 3 weeks, caught a beautiful trade. My boy Travis, beautiful trade. Everybody banged today but me. I missed out on the longs, but it's all good. I just didn't see anything I liked. There was one setup that I was going to take, but I was too hesitant on a 15-minute SMT that formed. Bearish SMT here. And I missed out on the longs as soon as we got a break higher. But I learned a lot today. What I learned was higher time frame holds higher power. There was an hourly SMT at these lows right here. ES came down and put in a higher low right here. So NASDAQ came down and took this low. I should have not been stuck on such a 15-minute SMT, but instead scaled out to the higher time frame and see that there was an hourly SMT. But this is why you journal and this is why you learn. But yeah, this meeting's going well, and I'll probably be in here for another 30 minutes just talking. But yeah. Alrighty guys, it is 9:23 and we just ended the call with Travis. A couple people started joining up after we were about to end it, so we just stayed on for an extra like 25 minutes, but it's all good. We're helping people and it feels great to help people. That's going to be it for this video though. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Join the Discord down below and also use code ZACH for 80% off all accounts. I really appreciate all the support recently. I really feel like my trading has been improving tremendously. Just got to keep trusting God, keep trusting the process, sticking to my plan, and just keep growing. But without further ado, I'll catch y'all tomorrow with the trade recap. We do have news tomorrow at 10 a.m. So I'm definitely going to be waiting for that. And then Friday, it's a bank holiday. But other than that, peace out, y'all.